Okay, dowsing rod. Somebody wanted me to show them how to do it. These are TIG welding rods for tungsten inert gas welding. These are aluminum. I think it works with any type of metal. I've used mostly stainless steel, steel, and bronze, but I'll try aluminum today.
Wait, pull it down. There we go.
I like to give myself about that much room and just do exactly 90 degrees. And then when you hold them in your hand like that. Don't put your thumb up like that. Hold them in your hand like that. And then as you walk, you put your elbows to your sides. And as you cross a water line or an electrical line, the rods will cross. Now we have quite a few water lines in this backyard, and I pretty much know where they are. So as I walk, these cross. Now this water line, I know, comes from that faucet and goes to that sink. So here they're crossed. Now you see where my thumbs are. I cannot influence it by my hands. Okay, now as I walk away, the rods will straighten out. And now in here,
Peter, you said don't show me. Get in front of you. There we go.
there's another water line that goes all the way back to that blue cylinder back there. And then if you look right over here, you see that there is a water main. Now if I go a little further over here in this direction, I know there's an electrical line that supplies the building. And this is the electrical line. Now, you don't want to influence it. You just want to just practice keeping them loose. Don't direct them with your thumbs. Keep your elbows by your side. Again, I'm right over that water line. And see how there was no influence. Now over here, we used to have a garden, and this is a water line without any water in it, but it should cross. Kathy, can you show that line right over there by the air conditioner? It will cross from there, and then show me, over to here. You see, I'm not influencing it. Now if I come out here, I can come out and find my water line. Now there's a septic field in here. I don't know what it's going to do with the septic field. It sees the septic field. Okay. Also, I don't know how to do it, but I'm told that the drillers who get the depth have their, it's something like this, I'm told. I don't know how it's done, but this is supposed to bob for amount of depth. I've never done it, I've never seen it, I just heard about it. So there we go.